Hey everyone, want to make your nighttime hunting experience even better? Well, what if I told you the right Crossbow Night Vision Scope could completely change the game for you? Stick around because we're diving into the top picks on Amazon, and by the end, you'll know exactly which one is the best for your next adventure. Let's get started. First up, at number 2, we've got the CVLIFE 1.55x 32 crossbow scope. If you're after something that's both affordable and reliable, this is a solid choice. Let me break it down for you. Performance-wise, it delivers 1.55x magnification, making it perfect for target ranges between 20 and 100 yards. It features a bolt-drop reticle, calibrated for crossbow speeds from 300, 4, 6, 0 FPS. What does that mean for you? Accurate shots every single time. Plus, the illuminated reticle comes with both red and green settings, ideal for hunting during those early mornings or late evenings. So, durability is another strong point. This scope is crafted from aviation-grade aluminum, making it fog-proof, shock-resistant, and waterproof. If IPX6 rating, it's ready to tackle any weather conditions. The eye relief is decent, but it could be a little closer for the best view. The pros: affordable, under $100. Includes scope rings for easy mounting, clear view with great accuracy. Cons: eye relief could be better. Mounting rings are okay, but not top-tier quality. The CVLIFE 1.5532 is perfect for hunters who need a budget-friendly scope that doesn't skimp on performance or durability. If that's you, miss this one. Now, moving on to number 1, we've got the ATN Thor 4 thermal scope with video recording. This is the ultimate tool for serious hunters who need a reliable thermal scope, even in pitch darkness. It features 1.20 5x magnification, giving you great flexibility for both close-range and long-range shots. The 750-yard detection range ensures you can spot your target even from a distance, and the mil-dot reticle ensures precision every time. But what really sets it apart is the advanced ballistic calculator. This feature factors in wind and distance, ensuring your shots are always on point. Plus, the thermal imaging is crystal clear even in total darkness. The smart obsidian core ensures high-quality visuals, while the 16-hour battery life lets you hunt all night long without worry. And if you need even more power for those extended trips, there's an extended power kit for up to 22 hours. Pros: incredible thermal detection, video recording capabilities, long battery life, built-in GPS. Cons: pricey, bulky, and can feel heavy during long hunts. Occasional freezing that needs a reset. If you're a serious hunter and don't mind investing a bit more, the ATN Thor 4 is your top choice for night hunting. Just be ready for that hefty price tag. So, after all the breakdowns, here's the winner: ATN Thor 4 Thermal Scope. While it's pricier, its advanced features like thermal imaging, ballistic calculator, and long battery life make it the best choice for serious hunters looking for top-tier performance. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below which scope you'd pick. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the links in the description for more details on all these products. Thanks for watching, and happy hunting.